Guys, so nandito tayo sa labas ng bahay, guys, kasi kailangan dito sa bahay. Kailangan ito dito sa labas kasi it needs to, hindi pwede doon sa loob kasi at saka doon pag sa CR kasi dark. So now we're testing it here outside so that the water will just flow. This is one of the products from Thailand that I will be trying. This is the third product from Thailand, so let's see if this one is really good. This product is for whitening. Okay, whitening daw siya. At saka, I don't know how to open this now. Okay, so this is whitening product from Thailand, and let's see if this one can really whiten skin. Now, it says here, this product is called Scrub Whitening Vitamin C. Maybe this one is, we have to use this one first. This one, it has fruit oil, it has Percy gratissima fruit extract, magnesium, ascorbyl, phosphate. Okay, so this is the scrub, and the other packet is vitamin C masked cream. So, I don't know kung ano ang pwedeng unahin dito. Because kasi siya, naka-Thai kasi siya, guys. Naka-Thai siya. It's in Thai and I don't know which of these should we do first. Maybe we do this one first, no? And then the scrub later. The second time will be the scrub. So now, what I saw is, okay, let's try it here first. Okay, look, I have this skin color. Let's open it now, and let's see. Konti lang yung i-open natin, ha? It says that, let's try on this arm. In this arm, so that we could see the difference, because sa nakita ko, guys, okay, I don't know if how many minutes to leave it there. How to use. I cannot speak in Thai, so I cannot read in Thai as well. I can see here 30, so maybe 30 minutes? Leave this for 30 minutes? 30 minutes, so 30 minutes we're going to stay here. Dapat dito din sa baba, para naman. Dagdagan natin. Let's try it. Okay, so now 30 minutes natin ito, and then i-wash natin. Pero dapat nag-scrub muna tayo. Baliktad talaga itong buhay natin, guys. Nag-lighten nga siya ng konti. Tsaka ito yung ito yung wala ko naman lagyan, o hindi ko pa nalagyan. So ngayon is scrub natin. Scrub natin na. Whitening scrub. Tadang! Para siyang mga mga maliliit na sugar. Pampantanggal ito ng mga dead skin. Mabango. Bango niya. Bango. Grabe. Oh my gosh. Puputi na kaya ako. Puputi na kaya ako, guys. Kasi, morena talaga ako. Morena. Hindi naman ito pang talaga siguro. Pang fair skin lang. Para yung skin natin magiging soft. At saka, dead skin free skin, baby skin, para magiging baby skin, char. Ayan. Okay, i-wash na natin. Oh, wow! Very smooth! Very smooth yung skin ko. Promise. Oh my gosh. I think I like this product now. Very smooth yung skin ko. So, nakita nyo, ito yung minash natin. At saka yan. See? So, I have to do the other one now. Yay! So, for this product, good job. Okay, I have to do the other one para naman fair. Diba? Diba? So, guys, ito yung product na na-try natin. Ito yung products na na-try natin na nakakapag-smooth ng skin at saka nakakapag-lighten. At saka ito ay proudly Thailand made. Thailand products. Kasi yung mga product dito is natural and cheap, affordable. And this one pala siya, 50 baht. Isang sachet nito is 50 baht. And I think we can use this many times. Kasi marami siyang laman. Marami siyang laman. At saka ito din, 50 baht and 50 baht. So for all of this, including the shipping, I paid 150 baht. So the shipping is 50 baht, and this 50 and 50, so a total of 150 baht. So now, I think I can recommend this to those who want their skin to be smooth and lighter, so fairer and lighter. So I think this one is good and all natural. Comes from the fruit. It's all natural, guys. I mean, natural products. Scrub, whitening, vitamin C. So it has a vitamin C that can whiten the skin. So that's it, and thank you so much for following me, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. Bye guys, and see you for my next one. God bless. I have to do now the other parts. Thank you.